Why do bees need flowers? Do flowers need bees as well? If you take a look closer at your surroundings, what interactions do you observe? Are these interactions necessary to all living organisms? Interaction among biotic factors are essential in the survival of an ecosystem. In this video, you will learn about the ecological relationship among organisms in an ecosystem. At the end of this video, you should be able to differentiate the ecological relationship found in an ecosystem. Organisms in an ecosystem needs to interact in order to survive and adapt. Ecological relationship is the term used to describe the relationship among and between organisms within their environment. On the other hand, symbiotic relationship involves organisms living in a close nutritional relationships. In this type of ecological relationship, one or both organisms obtain a benefit. Now, let's identify the different types of symbiotic relationship. First is predation. This type of symbiotic relationship involves predator and prey association. Predator is the one that benefits while the prey is consumed. Examples of this are a shark eats a sea lion and a lion is consuming a zebra. Another type is the competition. This type of symbiotic relationship happens when two different organisms compete with the same resources. Example is both wolves and bear hunt the same prey in their habitat. Third is the commensalism. In this association, one organism benefits while the other one is not affected. Example is a spider builds its web on a tree. The tree is not affected while the spider needs the tree for shelter and safety. Another symbiotic relationship is mutualism. It happens when two organisms from different species both benefits from the interaction. Best example of this is the bee and flower association. The bee gets its food in the flower through nectar, while the flower is being pollinated by the bee to reproduce. And the last is parasitism. This symbiotic relationship where one organism benefits while the other one is harmed. Example of this is the lice that lives on the small amount of blood in the scalp. The human serves as the host and being harmed by the association. There are two types of parasite. Endoparasite are the parasites that resides inside the body of the host. Examples of this are tapeworm and malarial parasite. On the other hand, ectoparasite are the parasites that resides outside the body of the host. Examples of this are the tick and lice. From this source of information, I hope you learned a lot today. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a day full of blast.